Hello everyone, welcome back to a Tejswi IP show where we bring you daily tips on intellectual property. Today let's talk about a topic that's often overlooked but can be a gold mine for patent holders. That is patent licensing. If you have developed a patent but don't want to dive into manufacturing or selling the product yourself, this episode is for you. So, what exactly is patent licensing? Simply put, it's an agreement where the patent owner, gives someone else the right to use, manufacture, or sell your patented invention. In exchange, you receive royalties or a lump sum payment. This way, you can monetize your invention without having to take on the operational challenges of building a business around it. Now, there are two types of patent licensing. One is exclusive, and another one is non exclusive. In an exclusive license, you grant the rights just to one company or individual, meaning they have sole control over your patent. On the other hand, a non inclusive license allows you to license the same patent to multiple parties, potentially increasing your revenue streams. So I give you a pro tip. Always have a well-drafted licensing agreement in place. This should outline the terms of use, royalty rates, territory, and the duration of the license. You can consult with a legal professional to iron out these details is must. For businesses, especially startups, licensing patents can also be a smart strategy. Instead of reinventing the wheel, licensing else's patented technology can save you time and money, allowing you to focus on product development or scaling. Looking at the global side, patent licensing has been a drive force in industries like pharmaceutical and technology. For example, many pharmaceutical companies license drug patents to manufacturers in other countries, allowing them to produce and sell the drug in a specific region. And talking about in India, especially, patent licensing is gaining momentum, particularly in sectors like software, biotechnology, and electronics. Startups are realizing they can generate significant revenue from licensing out their IP to larger companies with the resources to bring products to the market. So, whether you are a patent holder looking to monetize your invention or a business seeking access to cutting edge technology, patent licensing can be a win win solution. It's a powerful tool that helps you focus on what you do best while someone else handles production or marketing. So that's all for today's tip on patent licensing. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to Tejas VIP show for more insights on how to protect and profit from your intellectual property. So keep innovating, and we will see you in the next episode. Have a nice day.